In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language on Substack. Whether you're looking to broaden your audience or simply want to operate in a different language, this guide will help you make that switch effortlessly. To begin, navigate to your Substack dashboard. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and sign in with your credentials. The dashboard is your main hub on Substack, and it's where you can manage all your publications and settings. Once you're there, take a look at the top of the page where you'll find the settings option. Click on that and it will take you to a new page filled with various preferences and configuration options. Next, you'll want to focus on the basics section. This is typically one of the first areas you'll encounter on the settings page. It's where you'll find the most fundamental aspects of your account's configuration, making it an essential stop for this task. Within the basics section, keep an eye out for the language option. It's usually clearly labelled, so it shouldn't take long to locate. This is your gateway to accessing the language settings for your Substack account. Once you've found it, click on the corresponding drop-down menu. You'll be presented with a variety of language options including German, Spanish, French, Italian, Portuguese, Brazilian Portuguese, and of course English. Take your time to review these options and select the language that best suits your needs or those of your audience. Remember, the language you choose here will not be limited to the text. It will also affect other key elements of your Substack experience. Upon selection, your chosen language will apply to your posts, the emails you send out, any buttons that appear on your site, subscriber plans, and even the entire dashboard interface. This comprehensive language shift helps ensure a consistent experience for both you and your readers, aligning with the nuances and preferences of your target audience. That's all there is to it. With just a few simple clicks, you've now successfully changed the language settings for your Substack account. This can be especially beneficial if you're looking to reach an international audience or operate in a region where a different language is predominant. Thanks for following along. Your voice as a publisher is important, and by making your content accessible in the preferred language of your audience, you're taking significant steps towards making a meaningful impact. If you found this tutorial helpful, or if you have more questions about Substack, feel free to check out our other videos and guides. Until next time, happy publishing!